Dear warriors and students, here I am with a new video relating to important questions of entrepreneurship development, BBA 5th sem students, and this is new subject, so many of the students are worried about important questions list. You might not get anything from this related this in the YouTube. So I am providing you important questions. Please learn all these questions. These are after examining very thoroughly I have made this list. So let us consider this one by one. So unit 1, and it is GE paper, not 2 credit paper. Please be careful with this. It will be for 80 marks, right? So be careful with this. Define entrepreneurship and entrepreneur. Basic questions. These are very basic questions. Out of these, one will be there in the exam. And what are the types of entrepreneurship? Types of entrepreneurship. This might come even in the long question I am saying. What is rural entrepreneurship and what are the functions of entrepreneur? See, entrepreneur functions and types of entrepreneurship. These might asked even in the long question, and rural entrepreneurship is also one of the important concept. So next long questions relating to first unit. Define entrepreneurship. State the nature and characteristics of entrepreneurship. This is B category question as per our knowledge. Define entrepreneur. Outline the characteristics of entrepreneur. See, there is difference between entrepreneurship and entrepreneur. Okay, and one more question. This is, you consider A category. Explain the different types of entrepreneurs. This is also A category question. Explain the role of entrepreneurship in economic development in India with example. ये B category में पूछे जा सकते हैं. What do you mean by rural entrepreneurship? Explain the need and importance of rural entrepreneurship. This is A category question. So these are the questions which will come in the exam, and there might be one more question I am expecting. You consider it as C category. Difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Where should I write? I am saying here difference between entrepreneurship and यहाँ पे लिखना अच्छा नहीं आ रहा, and entrepreneur. Okay, entrepreneur is a person and entrepreneurship is the activity, how he manages. So the difference we need to tell. Next unit 2. See, some of the short questions will be there even in the long questions. So if you are doing long questions, you are automatically doing the short question. Okay, short questions relating to second unit. What is entrepreneurial environment? What are the factors affecting the entrepreneurial growth? Okay, what do you mean by entrepreneurial motivation? This is important question. Write briefly about entrepreneurship development programs. This is even asked in the long question. Please be careful. Next, define entrepreneurial competencies. This is also one of the important question. ये competencies, this might be asked even in the long question. Okay, and short question में ये 2 में भी एक आ सकता है. So let us see the next long questions relating to second unit. What do you mean by entrepreneurial environment? Explain the factors affecting the entrepreneurial environment. This you have seen even in the short question. This you can consider it as A category question. Explain the economic factors in the growth of entrepreneurship development. This is B category. Define entrepreneurial competencies and what are the components for entrepreneurial competencies. Okay, capabilities. We can say it as A category question. Entrepreneurs आर मेड नॉट बर्न. ओके, बाय बर्थ कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं बनता है. ओके, వాళ్ళు బై బర్త్ ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ ఎవరు కారు. వీ నీడ్ టు మేడ్ దెమ్. దిస్ ఈ కమెంట్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ కేటగిరీ క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ మైట్ బి యాజ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ది కాన్సెప్ట్ అండ్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. ఈడిపిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఇన్ దిస్ యూనిట్ and so this is also a category question, so please be careful with this. Next, unit 3 short questions. Define small scale industries. Okay, small scale industries related topic, very important one. What are the objectives of small and micro industries? Okay, please be careful with this one also. What do you know about MSMEs? Okay, medium micro enterprises, small enterprises. Okay, so write briefly about role of MSMEs in economic development. This might be asked even in the long question. Write briefly about the scope of small and micro industries. Scope, this may come sometimes even in the long question. Objectives and scope मिला के पूछ सकते हैं. So these are very important questions. Please learn all these and go to the exam. Next, long question. Define small scale industries. What are its characteristics? Okay, this you consider as B category. Explain the objectives of small scale industries. Okay, this is A category question. What are the different types of small scale industries? Explain the relationship between small scale industries with the large scale industries. This may be considered as B category. Explain the role of MSMEs in economic development. A category. State the problems of MSMEs. Here MSMEs से related. From MSMEs topic one question will come. So consider this one also A category question. And small scale industries also most important topic. See, as this is our third unit, let us go with the fourth unit. So fourth unit, short questions. What do you mean by industrial finance? Write about commercial banks, SIDBI, State Financial Corporation, Life Insurance Corporation. These all are short questions. Please learn these, that would be useful. And these may come even in the long question also. Okay, if you are covering long questions, short will be covered. So let us see. What is institutional finance? State the need for institutional finance for entrepreneurs. See, entrepreneurship is something you by yourself with your own, you want to do a startup, right? That is what entrepreneurs. For that, financial assistance is very much required. And financial institutions are those things which provide those things to the entrepreneurs. So those role will be very much important. So they may ask even as a role also. So this is B category question. What are the commercial banks? Discuss the role and functions of commercial bank with respect to building entrepreneurs. This is A category question. Explain in detail about Industrial Financial Corporation of India, and then details about IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, first bank for providing industrial development activities, financial assistance. So, and write about SIDBI. Okay, SIDBI also one of the important question, okay, for the development of industries. So special bank has been created, State Industrial Development Corporation, Development Bank of India. So these are the few important questions. All these are A category, I am saying. All these are A category. So in this unit, don't skip anything. Okay. Let us see the next. One more last unit is venture capital. Okay, define venture capital, need and relevance for venture capital, features of venture capital, These may be even asked in the long question together. Okay, briefly write the functions and role of venture capital financing. Write the various venture capital firms in India. Okay, थोड़े firms के बारे में बता दो बोल रहे. And these are important questions. Please learn in short. Long questions. Okay, all these 4 are very important. Don't leave any of these. Okay, define term venture capital, explain the features of venture capital financing. Important question है, स्टार मार्क कर लो ए का. Discuss the need and relevance of venture capital in India. Even you saw this one in short question, very important one. ए कैटेगरी के है, पूरे ए कैटेगरी के है. Discuss in detail the stages involved in venture capital financing and explain the detailed growth of venture capital in India, how venture capital is evaluating. One more question also there, evaluation of venture capital, something that is also most important one, that you can consider as B category. And one small tip to you all, as this is the new subject, okay, new subject introduced, please learn 3 units perfectly. Okay, that would be better option than go by only by important questions reading. Other 2 units you can go with the important, but 3 units make sure that perfect with the 3 units, in which there are less number of questions that you consider. For that purpose, no problem. So all the best to you all. सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो. जीतने के लिए इस बार ओ लाना है, राइट, ओ ग्रेड लाना है. सो थैंक यू, जय हिंद.